After shampooing and conditioning with Bedhead Urban Antidotes Recovery, we prepared the model's hair using Control Freak Serum as a cutting lotion. Take a central profile parting, from the forehead to the nape, then a horseshoe section from below the crown to the high point of the recession area. Take a central vertical section. Comb the hair to 90 degrees. Elevate to a 45-degree angle and point cut, decreasing the length towards the nape. Split this guide in half at the center. Take a slight diagonal forward section from the bottom of the occipital bone to the bottom of the ear. Comb the hair perpendicular to the parting. Elevate to a 45-degree angle and point cut parallel to the parting using the guide from the center. The next diagonal section is taken from the occipital bone to the middle of the ear. The technique is repeated to build weight in the nape. Now take a section from the top of the occipital bone to the top of the ear. Comb the hair perpendicular to the parting. Elevate to a stationary 45-degree angle and point cut parallel to the parting following the underneath guide. Behind the ear, start lowering the elevation to build weight towards the sides. Note the change of hand position. Now repeat the same technique on the opposite side. To continue, take a horseshoe section at the low point of the recession. Comb the hair perpendicular to the parting. Elevate to a stationary 45-degree angle and point cut parallel to the parting. From the ear forwards, shift the elevation to 1 finger's depth and continue the process. For the remaining sections, use the same technique on both sides of the head. Cross-check for balance before proceeding. Upon completion of the graduation, take a radial division from ear to ear across the crown. Take a central vertical section from the crown to the occipital bone. Comb and elevate the hair to 90 degrees. Using the guide from the top of the graduation, remove weight by point cutting round to the head shape. Work with pivoting sections towards the ear and layer consistently with the travelling guide. Note the change of hand and body position, and repeat the same technique on the opposite side. Using the guide from the back, proceed with pivoting diagonal forward sections from the crown in front of the ear. Comb and elevate each section to 90 degrees to the round of the head. Point cut to follow the head shape. Maintain a consistent technique and repeat on the opposite side. The last section on both sides of the top is over-directed to the previous section to maintain weight through the surface. Blow dry the hair and smooth out the cuticle using a TG Pro small cushion brush, followed by a TG Pro medium round brush. For a seamless effect, detail the shape and remove weight using deep parallel point cutting. Further personalize the hairline with freehand point cutting. Finish the cut with TG Bedhead Head Rush for shine and natural separation.